Marketing engineers in the semiconductor industry merge deep technical knowledge of semiconductor products with a thorough understanding of market trends and customer needs. Their role involves explaining the technical nuances of semiconductor products and translating these features into benefits that meet specific market demands. This dual expertise is crucial in crafting compelling product narratives and positioning strategies that resonate with technical and non-technical stakeholders in diverse sectors like consumer electronics, automotive, and industrial automation. These professionals are responsible for conducting comprehensive market analyses, including monitoring emerging trends, technological advancements, and competitive landscapes. By synthesizing market data and industry insights, marketing engineers inform critical decisions around product development, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns, ensuring that their company's offerings align with current and anticipated market needs. Marketing engineers are vital in managing customer relationships, often acting as the technical liaison between their company and clients. They are responsible for understanding client requirements, addressing technical queries, and providing tailored solutions that meet customer needs. It involves close collaboration with sales teams to ensure customer satisfaction and foster long-term business relationships. These professionals significantly contribute to innovation and product development by bringing market insights to the research and development teams. Their understanding of market needs and customer preferences is vital in guiding the development of new semiconductor products and technologies, ensuring that the offerings are relevant and meet future market demands. The future growth of marketing engineers in the semiconductor industry is linked to the rapid technological evolution and expanding applications of semiconductors. As the industry shifts towards emerging technologies like AI and 6G, marketing engineers must continuously update their skills and adapt to new marketing technologies and strategies. Their role will become more strategic, involving more significant influence on business decisions and contributing to the overall growth and direction of the semiconductor industry.